Meaning of ground staff.
Ground staff.
Ground staff.
Ground staff.
Ground staff. Ground staff refers to the employees who work on the ground in airports to ensure that flights operate safely and efficiently. They are responsible for a variety of tasks, including checking passengers in, loading and unloading luggage and cargo, marshalling aircraft, refueling planes, and cleaning cabins. Ground staff also play an essential role in ensuring that airport facilities are properly maintained and that passengers are provided with excellent customer service. Overall, ground staff are critical to the smooth operations of airports, and their hard work helps to keep travelers safe and comfortable while they travel.